In this lesson, we're going to calculate the mode of a data set. So if we have a problem like this that says Rose and Company had the following data for the number of sales, what is the value of X if the mode of the data is 20? So this problem is telling you what the mode is already. It's telling you the mode is 20. So you need to find this missing number to make it true that this data set will have a mode of 20. So remember and understand the meaning of mode. The mode is the number that appears most often in a data set. Okay, so the number that appears most often. So now let's arrange the numbers that we have from least to greatest. Okay, so these are the numbers we have from least to greatest. I've arranged them. Okay, there's 13, 15, 20, 22, and 48. But X is missing. I haven't put X in yet, okay, because that's the thing we're trying to find. So notice that each number in the data set so far appears only once, okay? There's only one of each of these numbers. If an entire data set does not have a repeating number, then the data set does not have a mode. Okay? But here, the data set has a mode of 20. This problem told us there's a mode of 20. So to make this true, X must be 20. 20 would appear in the data set most often if X equals 20. So now I've rewritten this data set with the missing X number, and you could see that 20 appears most often, so therefore that's the mode. And the only number that X could be is 20, because otherwise, if it was another number, it wouldn't be, the mode would not be 20. And if it was a number besides any of these numbers, say it was 49, then the mode would not be, it would not have a mode. The data set would not have a mode. So that's it. That's this entire problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that. You can rewatch the video if you need a little bit more of repetition. Nothing wrong with that. As well, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson. You can follow along as you watch the video. There's a link there that'll take you right to here. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.